Bitcoin's big moment, crossing the $100,000 mark. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. It is digital. It exists only on computers. No single person or bank controls it. It was created over 15 years ago. The creator used the name Satoshi Nakamoto. We still do not know who Satoshi truly is. Bitcoin allows people to send value directly to each other. This happens without needing a bank in the middle. This idea is powerful. It is changing how we think about money. Reaching $100,000 for one Bitcoin is huge. It is a very important number. Many people thought this day would never come. This price tells us something. It says that more people believe in Bitcoin. It shows that Bitcoin is becoming more mature. For years, Bitcoin grew step by step. This new price is a big step. It makes the world pay attention. It is a psychological win for this technology. Think back to when Bitcoin was new. It cost only a few cents. Then it was a few dollars. Then hundreds. Then thousands. Each step seemed big at the time. Reaching $100,000 is a testament. It shows Bitcoin's strength. It shows how it can survive doubts. It shows how it can survive challenges. Many people now see it as a serious asset. This journey has been long. It has been full of ups and downs. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Now its total value is over $2 trillion. This is a very large number. It means Bitcoin is more valuable than many big companies. It even surpassed the value of all mined gold for a time. This shows Bitcoin is a real store of value for many. People are using it to save their money. They hope it will protect their wealth. This is a big change from its early days. The winds of change. How we reached this milestone. Many things helped Bitcoin reach $100,000. One big event was the US presidential election in late 2024. The new president, Donald Trump, showed support for cryptocurrencies. He said he wanted to make the US a crypto capital. This made many people in the crypto world feel hopeful. They believed new rules might be friendlier. This hope helped push prices up. Politics can often affect markets. Bitcoin is no different in this way. A key change happened soon after the election. The head of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, was replaced. Gary Gensler, who was seen as tough on crypto, left. Paul Atkins became the new head. Mr. Atkins is known to be more open to crypto. He has advised crypto firms before. This change was very welcome news. It boosted confidence among investors. They felt the government might support innovation more. The market reacted quickly to these political shifts. Bitcoin's price jumped. For example, it moved from around $68,000 to over $75,000. This happened shortly after the election results. The price continued to climb. It reached the $100,000 mark in December 2024. This showed strong market optimism. Investors believed good times were ahead for Bitcoin. They saw a path to wider acceptance. This positive feeling spread fast. Even the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome H. Powell, spoke about Bitcoin. He compared it to gold. He said it was speculative. He also noted its price can change a lot. But him talking about it was important. It showed that top financial leaders are watching Bitcoin. They are thinking about its place. This is different from years ago. Then, many leaders ignored Bitcoin, or they said it was not important. New players, new rules adoption, and what to watch for. More people are using Bitcoin now. This is called mainstream adoption. One big step was the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs make it easier for regular people to invest in Bitcoin. They can buy Bitcoin through normal investment accounts. These ETFs became very popular. Billions of dollars flowed into them. This brought many new buyers to Bitcoin. It made Bitcoin more accessible to everyone. Big companies and investment firms are also buying Bitcoin. This is institutional investment. In 2024, institutions bought a lot of Bitcoin. They bought about 3% of all Bitcoin available. Trading volumes on professional platforms like the CME increased. Experts say that investment funds now need to consider Bitcoin. If they don't, they might miss out on gains. This shows Bitcoin is now part of the big financial world. But there are still risks. We need to be careful. The new government promises sound good, but promises can be broken. If new crypto rules are not helpful, the price could suffer. Bitcoin's price has always been very volatile. It can go up fast, it can also go down fast. We saw a big drop in late 2022. The FTX exchange collapsed then. This memory reminds us to be cautious. Always be prepared for changes. Other dangers include fraud and scams. Sadly, some bad people use crypto to trick others. If rules become too loose, these problems might increase. Some critics worry about this. They fear it could lead to bigger financial problems. Dennis Kelleher from Better Markets warned about this. He said mixing crypto too much with old finance could be risky. It is important to learn. It is important to protect yourself. Always use trusted platforms. The road ahead, Bitcoin's future in a transforming world. The new US administration has talked about more crypto ideas. One idea is a strategic reserve of Bitcoin for the country. This would mean the US government itself would hold Bitcoin. This is a very new concept. If it happens, it would be a strong sign of support. It could encourage other countries to think about Bitcoin too. It would make Bitcoin even more part of the global system. This is something many are watching closely. Experts have different views on what happens next. Some think the $100,000 price will create more excitement. This could lead to momentum buying. This means people buy because the price is going up. This could push Bitcoin to $105,000 or even $120,000 in 2025. Others think some investors will sell to take profits. They also suggest other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum might see price increases too. The market is always moving. So what does Bitcoin at $100,000 mean for you? It shows Bitcoin is a serious asset. Many see it as a way to store value like digital gold. But it is also very speculative. Its price can change quickly and by a lot. This means it is not right for everyone. You should understand the risks before investing. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. It is wise to be careful. Bitcoin's journey is far from over. It started as a small idea. Now, it is a major topic in global finance. Its role in the world is still changing. It challenges old ideas about money. It offers new possibilities. Education is key. Learn as much as you can. Choose reliable partners if you decide to engage with Bitcoin. The future of money is being built now, and Bitcoin is a big part of that story.